Maybe we should. Yeah, and to be fair, I haven't read about it yet.
Fuck off,
so.
dickhead.
Anyway, so in episode 1, we left you at midnight on the Monday morning. Lighting up the entire town. It's like daylight, yes, and they can see the enemy trying to skirmish their way in. One power are stuck in Oosterbeek, 1st Parachute Battalion stuck in Oosterbeek, but A Company have all
reported on Instagram. But, B-mate, I'm going to pass over to you for TLT Spice. Take it away.
Too easy, mate. So, first game, the Premier...
People, like an Uber driver will press on it and say, yeah, I'll do that job.
Holy fuck.
And so there's a cadre of
brother.
disaffected youth roaming around waiting for these jobs and happy to perform them.
Crime tasker.
What are you doing? You
Fucking idiot. Oh! I'm going. Fuck these fucking idiots.
Well, that's a car crash.
But when you see the fact that Mesopotamia really starts kicking off around 30, we can push it back a little bit, but maybe 30.
Dashcam.
Oh my god. What is your problem? Jesus Christ.
Rocks from Benno. It's in the rocks from Rugen. And the point is, so is the Utah Salt Flats, and it landed in Utah.
Fucking hell! Fucking idiot!
What fucking do? Fucking no!
The actual stuff, man. Oh my fucking god.
Fucking cocksucker!
Possibility.
Oh, you fuck!
What?
Right, now I have got one.
It's not permanent, it's a partial ceasefire.
What are you doing? It's a red fucking light. Oh my god, what a dickhead.
I will get my fucking revenge. All of it. But on the right people. Not on innocent civilians.
Before she decided to pretend to be hit on by Matt, which led to Claire and Matt's breakup. She also strung along Hudson, but when she found out Matt was more financially sound than Hudson, her own words, she decided to break the engagement.
She shooed him in the door and made way for Brian to join them. Mila's in the living room with Peter, she said to the unspoken question.
Fucking idiot!
Whoa.
Nice one.
Right. Oh shit!
Yeah? Yeah. That's alright. Yep. Okay. I'll speak to you.
What the fuck?
Oh!
Fucking idiots.